Okay, so going back to, excuse me, the domestic violence. So there's some domestic violence going on between parents or siblings have intervened when the fights become physical. There's a history of the dad having an affair while the mother was in Central America taking care of her own mom. As I mentioned earlier, Tina's dad is an alcoholic. He'll drink daily. He'll drink daily every night until the point of passing out, or falling down the stairs. Normally drinks those big jugs of wine with several beers, anywhere from 2 to 4 beers and about 2 to 3 shots on a nightly basis. However, he is able to function the next morning, tending to his private practice and taking care of the finances and taking care of where the kids need to go. Tina's mother is a nurse, so she works a lot. She is not home at night. She works at night. She doesn't like to be around dad when he is drinking, so apparently she works a lot of shifts at night in order to be out of the house when he is drinking. Um, she, Tina's mother knows that he's an alcoholic. The dad has an alcoholic problem. He also has type 2 diabetes, numerous strokes, heart attacks, and it is on his fifth bypass surgery where he is required to now wear a pacemaker because his heart is completely dead. Um, excuse me. Tina's mom suffers from depression, anxiety, and some health concerns, also diabetes and stroke. So that is a little bit of history of Tina, her sister, and parents. So the presenting problem. Um, so Tina has been court ordered to see a counselor for the truancy. So she's at the how she got there to this clinic to the offices for truancy and to discuss that. In that encounter, parents had disclosed to the counselor that they found Tina on the bedroom floor, on her bedroom floor, passed out and smelling of alcohol. There were the pints of tequila and Jack Daniels and Coke, not like sniffing Coke, but Coke is in the beverage, that Tina had apparently mixed the whiskey with. In that encounter, Tina reported that she started drinking as far as she can remember. She recalls falling into her crib with her bottle, and instead of having milk in her bottle or water in her bottle, she would have beer. She would actually get out of her crib. Her sister was sleeping in the same crib with her, and she recalls that she would get out of her crib and open up Dad's Budweisers and pour the Budweiser into her bottle, and she would sip on her a bottle full of alcohol. Um, she reports that she drinks daily. She drinks Dad's alcohol when she's with her sister. She drinks whatever alcohol her sister can get now that she has a fake ID that her sister made her. Apparently, she has been able to pass through with this fake ID with in clubs at liquor stores, so she's able to obtain alcohol on her own. She is selling a little bit of marijuana and alcohol to her friends, so she's able to obtain money that way, so she can get alcohol by herself and underage and illegally because of her history and the fake ID as well as meeting random people downtown and drinking with them. So she reports that she's been smoking marijuana for a couple of years now. She first tried it when she was about 12 or 13 years old. Um, she's reported that in the past 6 or 7 months, there has been other substance use. Hasn't been a continuous use of substances, but has experimented with things like um, cocaine and marijuana laced with cocaine or laced with some other substance, unknown substance. She just knows it's laced with something she thinks is cocaine. She's also experimented with LSD and acid and mushrooms. Tried it a few times, but drug of choice is alcohol and marijuana. Um, so as far as presenting problems, so peer pressure from adults, from sisters, or from sisters. Witnessing domestic violence, being promiscuous at school, so she's being bullied, being called names like slut, hooker, just bullying at school because of her being promiscuous and sleeping around. Presenting problem of using substances is also the loss of a friend to suicide. Um, possibly some anxiety, some depression, maybe some mental health concerns that are going on. Um, there's definitely some emotional distress with things going on with her family and her sister. Again, the peer pressure, biological factors. Dad's an alcoholic. Mom, has some health concerns. They both have health concerns. Dad has health problems, and Tina has a heart murmur. Not sure if it's anything worse than that, but definitely some biological factors associated with presenting problems. As far as diagnosis, it definitely seems to be alcohol use disorder. Um, According to the DSM-5, there needs to be at least two criteria met within a 12-month period for alcohol-related disorders. Um, in the DSM-5, alcohol-related disorders 1 through 12, it looks like for 1 through 11, it looks like there's a few things in there where Tina actually meets that criteria. Um, Number one, there's alcohol taken in larger amounts over longer periods of time, so she has met that. Recurrent alcohol use results in failing to meet obligations, so she's not going to school. The other criteria is great time spent using alcohol, so a lot of her activities are around alcohol to either obtain alcohol, use it, or recover from alcohol by consuming alcohol. Sounds like she does have strong desires or urges to use alcohol. Um, Continued use of alcohol despite having recurrent interpersonal problems caused or exacerbated by the effects of alcohol. Um, she has some maybe psychological problems, some physical health problems. So she's just still using alcohol despite knowing that she has this. Um, Sounds like she is now reaching a tolerance of alcohol since she's, drinking daily, drinking pints of tequila and whiskey. So definitely sounds, according to the DSM-5, as far as a diagnosis of alcohol-related disorder. Um, she presented to the clinic to meet with a counselor for truancy, but her parents have recently found her completely intoxicated, so she definitely meets the alcohol intoxication criteria, recent ingestion of alcohol, um, clinically significant problematic behaviors, some impaired judgments shortly after the alcohol consumption. With that, she does meet the signs and symptoms of slurred speech, stupor or coma, which they found her passed out, doesn't remember drinking that, and some coordination issues. So definitely sounds like she meets the alcohol intoxication. Stimulant related disorders, I am not sure if there is a clinical diagnosis with that because it needs some more diagnosis needs further assessment since she has used it. Um, most of these stimulant related disorders need to excuse me, some of the distress, some of the clinically significant symptoms of distress manifested by two of the following within a 12-month period. It doesn't sound within a 12-month period that she has taken large amounts of alcohol, of stimulants, um, not spending a lot of great time or a great deal using the stimulants. However, she does use marijuana. Um, Again, it needs more clinical or needs more diagnosing for further needs more further assessment to diagnose if it is similar to alcohol use. Sounds like she does meet the criteria for alcohol use disorder. Marijuana, she does smoke it. Not sure how much she's smoking, or if it's daily, or just take a couple of hits here and there, or if it's like huge amounts. So definitely need more assessment on stimulant-related disorder or for the marijuana. But my clinical interpretation is a diagnosis of alcohol use disorder and alcohol intoxication. Special populations. So she's a Hispanic middle school student. A couple of articles that I found information on. So it's like in one of the articles that I have was related specifically to just Hispanics. It was a sample of just Hispanic students. It seems that there's the middle school students having a higher level of alcohol use compared to um, non-Hispanic whites, a larger proportion of Hispanic youth, 25.2% have used alcohol before the age of 13, where, and this is actually not the article that I had read about, that was strictly related to just Hispanics. This one was another one, and my references are down here. But this, according to this article, um, so 25% of youth have used alcohol before the age of 13, where Trina had used apparently since she was a baby, compared to, or at least a toddler, compared to African Americans, where 21.8% have used prior to the age of 13, 18% of non-Hispanic whites used prior to the age of 13. There's another study among middle school and high school students for various poly substances, and there's higher rates of substance use among middle school students and high school students, but this is for a combination of not just Hispanics, but a variety of different races, so Asians, African Americans, Hispanics, but it still seems like there is, between middle school and high school, the rate of substance use and poly substances is higher. So moving on to special populations. Um, so 26% of that study with the middle school and high school students, 26% use marijuana, 9% use like medications and prescription pills, other substances which include, heroin, meth, LSD, shrooms, 8%, but there was a higher rate of alcohol and marijuana. So 26% of marijuana, 35% of alcohol. As you can see, alcohol and marijuana among middle school students and high school students is a lot higher than other substances. Um, what is the impact? Well, with this client, definitely could be some biological and developmental impact, considering she's been drinking for a long time. So definitely some changes happening in her brain. If she was, pouring alcohol into her bottle and going to bed at night that way, consuming large amounts now, passing out from alcohol. So definitely some developmental concerns, biological concerns. Certainly, she's in truancy court now, so it definitely has an impact on her education. She's starting a criminal history. She's been caught shoplifting, and been caught with underage drinking, and now she has a fake license, also a fake ID. So there's some issues there, and a criminal history that could possibly become worse. Behavioral health hasn't been diagnosed, but it sounds like she could have some depression. Again, needs further assessment for diagnosis to take place in that. The theories, I went with the social learning theory. Sounds like there's some peer pressure from the different adults in the environment. Parent use of alcohol drinking, observed and learned behaviors from her dad. Sorry about that. Some learned and observed behaviors from her dad. Social learning theory, so just her environment and the interactions with the people that she is going out with, meeting downtown, now going to these clubs and bars with her sister. Definitely some learned and observed behavior and peer pressure. Possibly self-medicating. There's some bullying due to her being promiscuous and her appearance of having to wear these very thick eyeglasses, and the suicide of her friend, which was actually her boyfriend. So those are my theories: self-medicating and social learning. Um, Starting to run out of time again, so I've already discussed this as far as the history and the culture. 14-year-old middle school student witnessing DV, been involved in physical altercation with her sister. Also hangs around with her sister a lot, has a history of substance use and drinking, mainly reported a drug of choice or substance of choice is alcohol. Hispanic, Central American, Mexican background, no political affiliation that has been reported. So here are the articles that I was reading. Basically, they're just showing there's an increase of Hispanics using mainly alcohol and marijuana and experimenting with other poly substances. Um, Tobacco, marijuana mostly were used. The study that was restricted to the Hispanic population, it surveyed children from age 12 to 14, and that one was an equal distribution of 50% boys, 50% girls, so an equal sample of the population that was being studied. And that was the study that related to just the strict Hispanic community. And again, tobacco, marijuana, most common drug use for teenagers and for the Hispanic population. Okay, it looks like we're about out of time. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the information.